Hello everyone, in this video I'm telling you how to become a full stack web developer. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first let's understand what is full stack web developer. A full stack web developer is a combination of front end and back end. So with full stack web development, we can build dynamic websites. Before going any further, I want to tell you, if you don't know what is front end and back end, then guys, I recommend you to watch this video. So after watching that video, then you have to watch this video. So guys, now let's talk about full stack web development. So guys, now let's back to our topic. So guys, in full stack web development, we will build dynamic websites. First of all, guys, we have to learn front end. So after learning front end, then we have to learn back end. Then we have to combine these two. So now we are full stack web developer. First, let's talk about how to become a front end web developer. So guys, first of all, we have to learn HTML. HTML is the main key to web development. With HTML, we can put text, paragraph, image, and buttons to our website. Now, after learning HTML, we have to learn CSS. With CSS, we can put a style to our website. With CSS, we can put color, text, color, font, background, and more style to our website. Now after learning CSS, now we have to learn JavaScript. With JavaScript, we can put logic to our website. Now after learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, now we have to do some project. You can build a YouTube clone, or Facebook clone, or Instagram clone, or Twitter clone with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now after doing some project, now we have to learn frameworks like React, Angular, Next.js, or Vue. So guys, I recommend you to learn React and Next.js. React is the best framework to learn. Then after learning React, then guys can learn Next.js. So with Next.js, we can build dynamic websites. So after learning frameworks, then now we have to learn backend. You can learn Node.js, Express.js, or PHP or Django. So I recommend you to learn Node.js and Express.js, because Node.js and Express.js are JavaScript framework, and you can learn Node.js and Express.js very easily. So after learning these, now we will have to combine our backend with the database. So guys, you can use MongoDB as your database. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.